Hello students, welcome to 12th Commerce Accountancy. I am Sandeep Gohel and today we will start the new chapter Accounting for Partnership and the Fundamentals. Okay, now we will see first of all the meaning of partnership. As we know, we have heard that word, that what is partnership. Okay, हाँ भाई पार्टनरशिप में बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है, ऐसा हमने सुना है, लेकिन व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पार्टनरशिप, एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इट इज, दैट वी डोंट नो. So we'll see the first of all the meaning of that, and then after we'll see the next. Okay, according to section 4 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932, partnership is the relation between persons. Okay, वो क्या है? Relation between the persons, some kind of relation between the persons who have agreed to share the profit of a business, जो बिजनेस के लिए रिलेटेड हुए हैं और दे आर एग्रीड टू शेयर द प्रॉफिट, जो भी प्रॉफिट होगा उसको शेयर करने के लिए वो एग्री हुए. ठीक है, कैरिड ऑन बाय ऑल और एनी ऑफ देम एक्टिंग फॉर ऑल. कैरिड ऑन बाय ऑल यानी सभी पार्टनर्स कैरी ऑन कर रहे हैं बिजनेस को, यानी कि ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, या तो एनी ऑफ देम एक्टिंग फॉर ऑल, अदरवाइज ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि वन ऑफ देम इज एक्टिंग एंड द अदर आर स्लीपिंग पार्टनर. ओके, मीन्स one partner is only active partner who is operating the whole business, and the other are only only investing their money, and they are not doing nothing except that. Okay, so that is called any of them acting for all. Okay, now there is no loss, only profit. So is it means that yes, the partnership firm will make every time the profit and profit and profit? No, it doesn't mean that. According to this section 4 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932, it is said that profit will be positive or negative. Means there is no word of loss is used, but the loss is defined as negative profit. Okay, and that's why only profit word is there, and profit means it should be positive or it must be negative also. Okay, अगर लॉस जा रहा है तो वो नेगेटिव प्रॉफिट है, अगर प्रॉफिट हो रहा है तो पॉजिटिव प्रॉफिट है. ओके, सो दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप. नाउ इन दिस पार्टनरशिप we have to make some contract between the partners, that is called agreement, that is called partnership deed. Okay, now if you have any mutual understanding, then you will go in a oral form. Oral form means you will not go through the written form, कुछ लिखेंगे नहीं. हाँ भाई हमारे बीच एक म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, no need to write anything on the paper, on this stamp paper. Okay, whatever, no need to do that kind of procedure. Okay, we can start the partnership without any partnership deed. Yes, it is not compulsory the partnership deed, but if you want to go legally, then you have to prepare the partnership deed, because future is uncertain. Okay, in future there would be no any kind of mutual understanding for any reason, and that's why if there were disputes and if you want to solve it, then you need this partnership deed in a written form. Okay, so in this partnership deed, what kind of details are there, that we will see in detail one by one. Okay, number one, name of partners are there. Yes, partner's name, mobile number, address, whatever, it will be mentioned. Number two, name of the firm. Yes, the name of the firm and address will be decided, will be mentioned. Okay, प्रिंसिपल प्लेस ऑफ बिजनेस. यस, प्रिंसिपल प्लेस मीन्स हाँ भाई हमारे बिजनेस की कई सारी ब्रांचेस है, लेकिन हेड ऑफिस तो होगी ना, बस वो जो हेड ऑफिस है वही प्रिंसिपल प्लेस है. दैट यू हैव टू मेंशन इन द पार्टनरशिप डीड. नेचर ऑफ बिजनेस, हाँ भाई नेचर कौन सा है आपका, नेचर यानी हमारा नेचर नहीं, बिजनेस का नेचर की बात करो. सर्विस प्रोवाइडिंग है, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है, ट्रेडिंग है, क्या है भाई. ठीक है, दैट यू हैव टू मेंशन. कैपिटल कंट्रीब्यूशन, हाँ भाई कौन पार्टनर कितना कैपिटल कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहा है, दैट यू टू मेंशन दैट. नेक्स्ट है इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. हाँ भाई कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट की है तो पार्टनर को कुछ तो ऐसा होगा ना, हाँ भाई आई वांट टू गेट समथिंग फ्रॉम माय कैपिटल, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. नाउ इट इज नॉट कंपल्सरी. इफ partners decide that yes we will pay the interest on capital, then it will be mentioned yes 2% of interest on capital. Yes, thereafter it will be paid, but it is not compulsory. If there is profit in the business, then you can pay. If there is no profit, then it is not compulsory to pay the interest on capital. Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग, यस. ड्राइंग यानी विड्रॉल पर्सनल यूज के लिए जो भी अमाउंट, जो भी गुड्स कंज्यूम करते हैं, जो भी ओनर होता है, ठीक है, दैट इज कॉल्ड ड्राइंग, दैट वी विल लर्न ऑन 11th कॉमर्स. ओके, so on that drawing the partners has to pay some interest on that, and that is an income for the business, for the firm. Okay, so how much interest they have to pay, that will be decided by the partners, and it will be mentioned in the partnership deed. Okay, next is profit sharing ratio. It will be also mentioned that what kind of ratio will be followed by the partners, that will be decided, that will be mentioned in the partnership deed. If there is no ratio is given in the partnership deed, it means that yes, there is equal ratio. And if any ratio is given, any ratio is decided by the partners, then it will be followed. Okay, चलो भाई नेक्स्ट. इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन. हाँ भाई, कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि बिजनेस को भी पैसे की जरूरत पड़ जाती है, और कोई पार्टनर जो एकदम रिच पर्सन है, दे विल गिव द लोन टू द फर्म. ओके, सो पार्टनर्स आर गिविंग लोन टू द फर्म. In case of that, he is the right person to get the interest on loan. Yes, so how much interest on loan will be paid, that should be mentioned in the partnership deed. Okay, suppose it is not mentioned, it is not decided by the partners, then Indian Partnership Act ये बोलता है कि अगर कोई परसेंटेज नहीं दिया इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन पे, तो फिक्स परसेंटेज है 6% ऑन लोन शुड बी पेड टू द पार्टनर्स हु हैज गिवन द लोन टू द पार्टनरशिप फर्म. चलो भाई आगे बढ़ते हैं. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, याद रखना, इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन. ठीक है. रेम्यूनरेशन टू पार्टनर्स. इफ एनी एक्टिव पार्टनर इज देयर, then some salary, some commission will be paid, and that is also decided by the partners, and that should be mentioned in the partnership deed. वो भी mention होगा partnership deed में. ठीक है. चलो भाई आगे बढ़ते हैं. वैल्यूएशन ऑफ गुडविल. गुडविल, प्रेस्टीज वैल्यू ऑफ बिजनेस. ओके, हाँ, तो ये जो गुडविल है ना, वो कितनी डिसाइड करेंगे हम, हमारे बिजनेस की हम वैल्यू कितनी डिसाइड करेंगे. ठीक है, और उसके लिए हम कौन सी मेथड को फॉलो करेंगे, विच मेथड टू कैलकुलेट द गुडविल, दैट इज ऑल्सो मेंशन्ड इन द पार्टनरशिप डीड, बिकॉज इट विल बी डिसाइडेड बाय द पार्टनर्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट, वैल्यूएशन ऑफ एसेट्स. यस, विच काइंड ऑफ मेथड विल यू फॉलो, historical value method या तो current value method of assets, which method you will follow, that is also mentioned in the partnership deed about the valuation of assets. Then settlement of accounts. Settlement of accounts it was whenever any death of partners, कभी कोई पार्टनर की डेथ हो जाती है या तो फिर वो रिटायर हो जाता है, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है. ठीक है, हमारे बिजनेस में पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म होती है तब. ठीक है, so in that case we have to do some settlement with that partner. हाँ भाई, उसको कुछ पेमेंट तो करना पड़ेगा ना, क्योंकि वो जा रहा है तो उसका कुछ पैसा तो देना पड़ेगा ना, कुछ सेटलमेंट करना पड़ेगा. what amount should be paid, that should be decided by the remaining partners, and that is called settlement. so which method will you follow, that you have to mention in the partnership deed. चलो भाई नेक्स्ट, अकाउंटिंग पीरियड. which accounting period you will follow, 6 months, yearly, and if you are following yearly accounting period, what could be that, 1st Jan to 31st December or 1st April to 31st March. You can follow anything, but it should be mentioned in the partnership deed. Okay, rights and duties of partners. Yes, there are some rights and duties of partners. Some are specials and some are normal. Okay, because in some cases some partners are investing more and more money, so they have more rights. It is decided by the partners, it is not mentioned in the partnership act. Okay, it will be decided by the partners, so all the rights and duties will be mentioned. Next है ड्यूरेशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप. हाँ भाई, कई पार्टनरशिप ऐसे भी होते हैं, कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पर चलती है. हाँ भाई, 5 ईयर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, तो 5 साल तक चलेगी, 5 साल पूरे होंगे, खत्म पार्टनरशिप. ठीक है, सो दैट ड्यूरेशन विल बी मेंशन. बैंक ऑफ ऑपरेशन. हाँ भाई, जो भी इनकम आएगी वो कौन सी बैंक से आएगी, और जो भी पेमेंट करेंगे कौन सी बैंक से करेंगे, दैट इज कॉल्ड बैंक ऑफ ऑपरेशन. ओके, तो बैंक अकाउंट ऑपरेशन जो है सॉरी, इट विल बी मेंशन इन द पार्टनरशिप डीड. डेथ ऑफ पार्टनर. इफ देयर इज डेथ ऑफ पार्टनर एंड only one partner remain, then partnership cannot be said that if there is only one person, because it will be converted into sole proprietorship. Okay, it will not happen, it will not be partnership form then after. So they have to dissolve the partnership form, and they have to follow some dissolution process for that. So that will be also mentioned in the partnership deed. And the last is settlement of disputes. If there are any disputes between the partners, then which method they will follow, how will solve that, it will be also mentioned in the partnership deed. So all these things will be mentioned in the partnership deed, and if you have partnership deed, then it will be an evidence for you to present in the court as an evidence, okay, for any disputes you have, or any something circumstances will happen in your business. Okay, so you can use it if you have in this written form. That's why I say that, that's why the partnership act say that it is not compulsory, but if you are following that, if you are following the written form partnership deed, then it would be very very good condition for your business. Okay, it would be good for your future also. Okay, so this is all about the partnership meaning and the partnership deed. In the next video we will see some new things about the partnership forms. Okay, in the next video we will meet. Goodbye, thank you very much, see you.